5 minutes of listening.
On the plane. Hello, may I help you? Hi, I would like to book a flight. May I ask where you're flying from? I'll fly from here, Detroit. Where are you traveling to? I'm traveling to New York. What is your travel date? I'm making a reservation for September 20th. Which airport do you want to fly to? LaGuardia Airport or Newark Liberty International Airport? Newark Liberty International Airport. Would you prefer a morning, an afternoon, or an evening flight? I'd rather fly in the evening around 6 or 7 p.m. Well, I have you booked on a flight that fits your requirement. Please check the information here. Great, please book this flight for me. Could you fill in some information here? Sure. Here you are. Thanks. Do you have a checked suitcase? No, thanks. Okay, please pay the fare of $180. Do you want to pay by card or in cash? By card, please. Okay, let me book it now. All done. Please check your e-ticket with the email you provided. Thanks, I received it. Have a nice day. Bye. Have a nice day. Good evening. Where are you flying to today? New York. May I have your passport, please? Here you go. Are you checking any bags? No, I only have hand luggage and a laptop. Okay. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from gate 14B and it'll begin boarding at 17:50 p.m. Your seat number is 18C. Thanks. Excuse me, I'd like to order some food and drink. Welcome, sir. What would you like to have? Please look at the menu in front of you. Thanks, I'll have this beef meal and a cup of coffee. Yes, of course, sir. Your meal and drink cost $25. Please wait a while for your food to be served. I'll give you your coffee first. Cool, here's $25. Thanks for the assistance. You're welcome, sir. Here's your coffee, sir. Your food will be served in a minute. Okay, thanks.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your meal. Thanks for your patience. If you need anything, just tell me. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. That's all for now. Excuse me. Hi, how may I help you, sir? Sorry, I accidentally spilled coffee on this magazine. Can you help me get another one? Sure. Let me get another one for you and some napkins to wipe the coffee off, sir. Thank you very much. You're welcome, sir.
A few moments later.
Here's your magazine and some napkins, sir. If you need anything else, please tell me. Thank you very much. That's all for now.
5 minutes of vocabulary. Flight. Please repeat after me. Flight. Flight. A journey made by air, usually in an airplane.
Gonna miss your flight.
No, I know, but looks like my flight's canceled.
And surprise, Lewis calls and Barry's flight is delayed.
I understand that our flight was cancelled and rebooked.
Well, I have you booked on a flight that fits your requirement. Please check the information here.
Airport. Please repeat after me. Airport. Airport. A place where airplanes take off and land, with buildings for passengers to wait in.
I'll drive you to the airport.
No, we're taking a cab.
He needed a ride to the airport.
What?
Meet you at the airport. Do not miss the flight.
Which airport do you want to fly to? LaGuardia Airport or Newark Liberty International Airport? Newark Liberty International Airport.
Boarding pass. Please repeat after me. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. A document given to passengers that allows them to enter the plane.
Boarding passes and IDs, please.
Next. Oh, ma'am.
Save your boarding pass and you'll get a refund on the difference.
Your boarding pass, please.
Oh, sure.
Right, here is your boarding pass, and it is gate 32.
Okay. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from gate 14B and it'll begin boarding at 17:50 p.m. Gate. Please repeat after me. Gate. Gate. The place in an airport where you get on or off an airplane.
Attention! Special movie flight now arriving at gate.
Mark is now arriving at gate 2.
Here's your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from gate 14B and it'll begin boarding at 17:50 p.m. Suitcase. Please repeat after me. Suitcase. Suitcase. A large container with a handle used for carrying clothes and personal items when traveling.
Suitcase. Suitcase! Did anyone find a suitcase? Was there a suitcase in this house?
You should look for your suitcase, Gordon.
Let's get your suitcase. Pack up nicely like I taught.
Then he comes out with a suitcase already packed.
Thanks. Do you have a checked suitcase? Fare. Please repeat after me. Fare. Fare. The money paid for a journey on public transportation.
Don't tell me you still want the cab fare.
It's cab fare. $25,000 for you?
Every day we give you $100 for cab fare home.
Okay, please pay the fare of $180. Do you want to pay by card or in cash? 7 minutes of speaking. Excuse me, I've been wondering for a while. Are you Mark from Michigan State University?
Yes, it's me. Do I know you?
Oh my gosh, Mark, it's Lisa. It's been 10 years since our graduation. Do you remember me?
Oh, Lisa, it's you. I'm so sorry for not recognizing you. 10 years is such a long time. How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, Lisa. 10 years have passed and you're still so young and beautiful as 10 years ago. I remember lots of boys had a crush on you. So how are you now?
Haha, it's all from 10 years ago. Now I'm a mother of 2 kids.
Congratulations. I also have a 2-year-old little girl.
Really, I also have a 2-year-old daughter. Her brother's 5 years old. This is their photo.
Wow, such beautiful kids. Your son takes after you. This is my daughter's photo.
What a pretty little girl. She looks exactly like you.
Thanks. Time passes so quickly. We're both parents. Are you still in Michigan now, or did you move somewhere else?
Yeah, I'm still in Michigan. How about you?
I just got back to Michigan a year ago. Before that, I spent a long time living and working in Europe.
Well, when we go back to Michigan, let's have a gathering and take the kids to meet up. If it's convenient, invite some other friends from university. How about that?
Do you still keep in touch with our college friends? Since I went to Europe, I've not kept in touch with them.
Yeah, sometimes we still gather for a barbecue. There's Bob, Amelia, Jenna, Kyle, and I kept in touch often. We used to ask each other and wonder why you disappeared. Turns out you went to Europe. Where did you go in Europe?
At that time, there was a job opportunity in the UK, so I left immediately. I was in a hurry, so I didn't tell anyone. Who would have thought it was 8 years straight? I also met my wife there.
Oh, really? So did she agree to go back to America with you?
Yes, after discussing for a while, we decided to return to the US after our child turned 1 year old. We also hesitated because she doesn't have any friends here.
Yeah, so how is everything after coming here?
Everything's fine. She has a new job and has more friends. We live close to my parents' house, so we often let the kids come along and play with them.
That's so good. How were your parents?
Thanks for asking. My parents are good.
Oh, I'm really looking forward to our gathering. I'm sure it'll be fun.
Me too. It's hard to imagine how they'll look after 10 years. By the way, could you give me your phone number to keep in touch?
Okay, let me type my number. Okay, here it is.
The phone's not working now. I just sent you a message. You'll receive it after landing. Please add my number.
Okay, but it will probably be next month that I'm available. This time I flew over to visit my friend and spent 2 weeks there.
It's okay. I'm also on a business trip for kind of a long time. I'll contact you next month then. Let's have a discussion at that time.
Okay, I'll text you when I'm back.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. Who is the woman Mark is talking to? A. Alice. B. Lisa. C. Jessica. The correct answer is B. Question 2. How many children does Lisa have?
1. B. 2. C. 3. The correct answer is B. Question 3. Where did Mark and Lisa go to university? A. Michigan State University. B. Harvard University. C. Stanford University. The correct answer is A. Question 4. Where did Mark live before coming back to Michigan? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. The correct answer is C. Question 5. When will Mark and Lisa be available to meet up? A. Next week. B. Next month. C. Next year. The correct answer is B. Question 6. How many years did Mark live in Europe? A. 5 years. B. 6 years. C. 8 years. The correct answer is C.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.